In this video, we are going to share with you about how to use turmeric in a right way and its benefits. Hey, don't worry man, we will reveal all the secrets about the turmeric. Turmeric has been thought as one of the healthiest medicinal spice of India. Here is why. Hey, don't laugh man, we are telling the truth. Turmeric is a good one. Turmeric is used as a root and its dried powder state for cooking, for protection against infections, for beauty as a cosmetic measure in most of our homes. And here are the benefits of turmeric. Curcumin is the most abundant and active polyphenol in turmeric and is responsible for the beautiful yellow color. It has antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, antibacterial and wound healing effects. Studies shown that its potential in treating conditions such as arthritis, cancer, cardiovascular and inflammatory bowel diseases is very powerful. Essential oil extracted from turmeric exhibit antifungal properties and is active against respiratory throat virus such as the oil may help to remove relief cough and prevent asthma. The oil acts as a natural mosquito repellent for both day and night. In alternative and herbal medicine, turmeric is used to treat conjunctivitis, chickenpox, urinary tract infections and liver ailments, and also it prevents proliferation of skin tumors. And the intake of turmeric extract may reduce the cell damaging effects of chronic hyperglycemia in diabetes patients. Antioxidant and germicidal properties of turmeric have led to its extensive use in medical and cosmetic products. Curcumin present in turmeric not only acts like antioxidant, it also boosts the body's natural antioxidant capacity. Turmeric is known to help with digestion. It is used in traditional medicines for reducing flatus for abdominal pain and distension. It is also known to help with improving appetite, post-meal fullness, and improve liver functions. With all these benefits, especially against infections and its role in improving immunity, daily consumption of turmeric is beneficial. Choose to be a good quality turmeric powder or organic if it is possible. It is not over. Let us see how you can use it. You can use this turmeric powder in beneficial in 3 ways. The first one is take warm a glass of water with 1 gram of turmeric along with a piece of ginger. It's a simple beneficial way. And let us look for the second one. You can have turmeric powder with 1 teaspoon of honey daily. The taste must be little bit of sugar and little bit of spicy. This is the last one. I also love to do it. You can add this turmeric to milk, both the hot and cold milk, and also shake it. Why we are shaking this is the turmeric powder wants to mix with the milk. Then only all its ingredients and its medical or any other benefits will come. So these are the simple steps to eat turmeric in your daily life or all the days. This is a simple one. I thought that you can do all along in your home. So if this video is give any information to you or useful to you, then comment it on the comment box. We will try to give reply for all your comments. If you are not subscribed to this channel until this time, then hit the subscribe button, and if you want to share it, then share with your friends and enjoy.